What's going on, everybody? It's PK. I'm back here with an unboxing video. This right here is the Newbalance Salehe Bembury Sand Beat the Time NBs 990s. I bought these back in December of 2022. I'm now getting to them because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So I'm opening it up right here. I got these through his site that he has set up, Be a Sponge. And the sponge, you see the sponge logo right here on the box. On the outside of the box right here. Put that to the side. Here we go. Paid $200 for these. Sand Beat the Time. The first collaborative project between Salehe Bembury and the Newbalance Athletics. This guy been on fire since, you know, if you guys don't know who he is, go look into his history and his catalog. He's been doing original work for Yeezy footwear, and actually even further back, I think his origins is Payless. So he started in Payless and just moved on up as a footwear designer, and he's been the designer for the likes of Versace. His chain reactions did really well, and then he moved on to do his own projects and stuff like that. So this is one of his latest projects. This is pretty cool. Right here, some artwork. I bought, I'll get into sizing. Like in NBs, I just go with, it's 9.5. But usually 9.5 is equivalent to 10 in my Nikes. So I just usually go with a 9 UK because that's pretty much a 10 in Nike. So in order to, you know, get my right size, and these work out very well for me. I have a few pairs of 990s, and these are the 990s SB2s. So we got right here. Has this cork insole. It's pretty cool earth tone kind of colorway here, clay and pinkish. And I ordered these directly from the site. I paid $200 for these. Some nice details. This is things you know, a sneaker enthusiast, collector like myself, kind of obsesses over and just appreciate the details. It's about the details for me. Just the different, the contrast and the colors. So it comes with another set of laces. You have like these pinkish, rose pink laces, then you have these orange laces. And nice contrast here with the purple and the orange sole and the rose pink. Yeah, we even have like a green, more of like a dark moss colored green. Even down. Check out all these details here. If you missed, oh, we have another pair of laces. We have a sail colored lace. If you missed out on these, you can still get them on a reseller site. And I saw them on StockX for about, the last sale in this size was about $278. So probably a little over 100 extra you're gonna have to pay between the taxes and the fees if you're interested in getting these shoes. But this is what you got here. I'll go on foot for you real quick. Got the reflective detail in there. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What you think is the best colorways he's been doing lately. How you feel about the Crocs he's came out with. I definitely have a pair of those as well. I was able to get a pair retail from Crocs on the website in black. Really happy about those. They run a little big. Just give you a little tip on those. Those run kind of big, so you may have to size down. New Balance has been killing it. The Teddy Santis line, the colorways has been amazing. It's more about curation and things lasting the test of time, and you know, having a product kind of grow with a product, and that product is around and becomes vintage, and it becomes that rare item that people ask about. And hit the like button, subscribe, comment below. Let's chop it up. You know, let me know your thoughts. Until the next one, PK signing out. Peace.